What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, Wicked Explorers. We are here to explore another brewery. This time we're in Somerville, Massachusetts at Winter Hill Brewery. We're gonna go in there, try a flight, look around, see what's up, and I will tell you how it goes. So if you're wondering where it is, Winter Hill Brewery, right on the main drag Broadway, I believe, here in Somerville, Mass. Like 2 minutes from Charlestown, 2 miles from Charlestown, or 10 minutes from Charlestown. So it's right there, easy to get to. Seems to be plenty of parking, so let's check it out. There we go. All right, everybody, just left Winter Hill Brewery, and actually it was really cool inside. They actually open up really early because they do a cafe in the morning. So unlike a lot of these breweries in which you can't really get to till like 4 or 6 o'clock at night during the week, this place was open early. So that's kind of the reason we did this on Thursday, because it was easier to get in early. And I like going during the day because there's less people in there, so it's also weird when I'm videotaping and documenting and stuff like that. But so they do a cafe, they do offer food for lunch, keep in mind, at the restaurant, or at the brewery. And they only had 4 available beers on draft. I had the stout, which was really nice. Had a little kick to it. And they actually had a different types of beer for sale. So I got this Russian cherry imperial stout. It's like 9% alcohol. I'll be drinking that tonight on the Arty 84 show, which of course you can get by searching Arty 84 on YouTube and podcast sources and whatnot. But really cool. People in there are really cool as well. It's small. It probably max capacity 50 people maybe. So it's one of those places you have to just get to. You know, you might have to wait to get in and everything. And I think there was like 20 bar stools and maybe 10 available seats. Table seats. So let's keep that in mind when you go in here. But like I said, it's right here in on Winter Hill here in Somerville. Temple Street is the cross street, so if you're looking for it, and like I said, it's like 3 miles from Charlestown. So check them out. They're open early, so you can go there. I think they're open till 10 o'clock at night. They do trivia and some other stuff during the week as well. So there you go. That's my review on the Winter Hill Brewery. Leave your comments below. Give me a little thumbs up if you like this video and you want me to keep doing breweries. Also, leave any comments or anything you have there. May have gotten something incorrect, but there you go. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.